Hey, it's Kelsey here with a review of our TOTO washlet. I'll be honest, I never thought I needed one of these. My husband's the one who wanted to get it, and our friends had one, and they were so generous as to buy us this. And I love it, mainly for the heated seat. There's nothing better than sitting down on a warm seat. So it's super awesome. It has all these features here. Start and stop, you can adjust your pressure. You've got your rear and your front washing with an on and off for the oscillation. It also has a dryer. It warms the water, which you can adjust the temperature of the seat, the water, and the dryer here. So it'll even blow warm air, which is lovely. Then you've got this timer here and an energy saving feature that's automatic. So you can run them together or separately, but you've got your power indicator, your seat temperature if it's on, the energy saving feature, and the water temperature if that is set on. It's got a separate wand cleaning function here, and you can just turn the whole power on and off. What I love about it is, one, it comes with this great pretty thick water connector, so it gets a good amount of water in there. And also the extension cord is pretty long, so you can easily hook it up. The seat is a little smaller. I don't know, we have a round toilet bowl, so I don't know if that's just this model or if the elongated one has a small opening as well. But here we can do just the wand cleaning feature, because I know this isn't going to spray at my face. You can just clean the wand, and then you press the off button to turn it off. There's a feature where you have to be sitting on it. There's a little adjustable, you can hear it click. So you can't accidentally press the button and turn it on, so you need to have pressure on it, and then you can use the functions. So honestly, super great. Never thought I'd get my husband out of here, but he does get out. He doesn't take any longer, and I have a warm seat to sit on, which I love. So I definitely recommend this TOTO washlet.